Hey there, and welcome back to another episode of Vacation Rental Scale Up. I'm Thibault Masson, and today we're diving deep into the secrets behind Le Collectionist's incredible growth through mergers and acquisitions in the luxury rental market. Whether you're looking to scale your short term rental business or thinking about an exit strategy, Le Collectionist's approach has some valuable insights for you. At the recent Scale show in Barcelona, we had the pleasure of hosting the Knowledge Stage, where property managers shared real world tactics for success. One standout session was Thriving Through Acquisitions, presented by Max Aniort, the co founder and CEO of Le Collectionist. Let's take a closer look at what he had to say. Le Collectionist was founded in 2014 with a vision of creating the perfect luxury holiday experiences. Starting with Deauville and Saint-Tropez, they aimed to fill a niche in the luxury holiday home rental market. Max Aniort's vision was clear: to perfect the art of finding each client's ideal home and customizing it with memorable services and experiences. By 2017, they had already made waves by acquiring Bonder & Co., the top luxury villa rental company in Ibiza. This move was a key part of their global but local strategy, where they focus on having regional offices while serving a global clientele. This acquisition was pivotal, allowing Le Collectionist to gain significant market shares and establish a strong presence in a prime location. Fast forward to 2022, and Le Collectionniste had raised over $100 million through several fundraising rounds, enabling 5 successful acquisitions. Today, they're a global leader in the luxury rental market, with an expected $160 million in gross booking value by 2024. Their strategic growth is evident, as they aim to achieve $500 million in gross booking value by 2028, driven by a 42% revenue CAGR over the past 4 years. With over 3,000 properties and around 5,000 bookings in the fiscal year 2023, they're delivering top notch on site experiences to a global clientele. And it's not just about growth, their net promoter score exceeds 60, indicating high customer satisfaction. They cater to an international clientele, particularly from the US, and their unmatched holiday experience is a testament to their dedication to luxury and excellence. One of the keys to their success is a strong local presence. Le Collectionist ensures mastery of each destination they operate in, from the Alps and Corsica to the French Riviera and beyond. They have regional offices in places like Marseille, Bordeaux, Ibiza, Barcelona, and St. Barth, which allows them to provide the best on site experiences with local expertise. This multi local coverage ensures that each destination is managed with care, providing exceptional service and maintaining the highest standards. So, how exactly has Le Collectionist achieved this impressive growth? Through a meticulous M&A strategy aimed at consolidating their position in the luxury rental market and unlocking new growth opportunities. Their strategy focuses on 3 main objectives. First, they aim to consolidate current destinations by acquiring established companies. This strengthens their foothold in existing markets and enhances their portfolio of exclusive properties. For example, the acquisition of Bonder & Co. was crucial for expanding their presence in Spain and gaining access to exclusive off-market villas. Second, they unlock key destinations through strategic acquisitions. This helps them establish local offices and generate growth in new, high-potential locations. A prime example is their acquisition of Bramble ski in Switzerland. This move allowed Le Collectionist to tap into the lucrative ski tourism market, increasing their number of exclusive offers and attracting a high-end clientele year-round. Finally, they create additional value by expanding into complementary sectors like property management and travel agency services. This adds value for both property owners and guests. For instance, acquiring Ibiza Evolution Services helped them develop property management capabilities, which in turn enhanced owner satisfaction and guest experiences. Le Collectionist's approach to M&A is driven by clear key performance indicators. They assess how well a potential acquisition aligns with their brand, focusing on strategic fit, the EBITDA margin, growth rate, and overall valuation of the acquisition opportunity. This ensures that every deal supports their long-term strategic goals and adds tangible value to their operations. The valuation process. Valuation is a critical component of Le Collectionist's M&A strategy. Ensuring financial viability and strategic alignment is essential. Here's how they do it. Value of the acquisition opportunity. This involves a comprehensive assessment of the financial worth of the company or asset being acquired. They analyze financial statements, revenue streams, and potential future earnings to determine the acquisition's value. Entrepreneurial weight. This aspect considers the intangible value brought by the entrepreneurial spirit, innovation, and leadership of the target company. It's about assessing the potential for continued growth and success under the current leadership or integrating their innovative practices into Le Collectionist. Seller's expectations. Understanding what the seller expects to receive from the transaction is crucial. This includes the price they hope to achieve, any conditions they may have, and their overall willingness to sell. Aligning the valuation with the seller's expectations can facilitate smoother negotiations and a more successful acquisition process. Rule of 40. This metric ensures a balanced assessment of an acquisition target's profitability and growth potential. The Rule of 40 combines the EBITDA margin and the growth rate. For example, if a company has an EBITDA margin of 25% and a growth rate of 15%, it meets the Rule of 40, indicating a healthy balance between profitability and expansion. By using these valuation criteria, Le Collectionist ensures that acquisitions are financially viable and strategically aligned, supporting sustainable long-term growth. Detailed M&A process. Le Collectionist's M&A process is meticulous and involves several detailed steps to ensure every acquisition aligns with their strategic goals. Market screening. They identify potential markets and opportunities by researching regions with high growth potential. They look for areas driven by factors like increasing tourism, economic stability, and demand for luxury rentals. Opportunity identification. Using specific criteria and KPIs, they shortlist potential acquisition targets that align with their strategic goals. This phase includes assessing the financial health, market position, and growth potential of each candidate. Discussion with candidates. Initiating conversations with shortlisted candidates to explore mutual interests and the feasibility of the acquisition. This involves discussing terms, evaluating cultural fit, and assessing initial synergies. Data collection and analysis. Conducting thorough due diligence by gathering detailed financial, operational, and market data to assess the viability and strategic fit of the acquisition target. This step is critical to identify potential risks and validate the benefits of the acquisition. Signing of LOI and due diligence. Formalizing the acquisition intent by signing a letter of intent, LOI, and conducting an in-depth due diligence process to verify all information provided by the target company. Synergy analysis, evaluating potential efficiencies and value creation by analyzing how the acquisition will integrate with existing operations. Identifying areas for synergy, such as cost savings, revenue enhancement, or operational improvements, ensures that the acquisition adds tangible value to Le Collectionist. Governance projection, planning the organizational integration by developing a governance structure that integrates the new acquisition into Le Collectionist's existing framework. This includes defining roles, responsibilities, and reporting lines. 1 5 years vision. Setting long-term strategic goals by defining a vision for the next 5 years. This outlines the expected growth trajectory and strategic milestones post-acquisition, helping align the newly acquired entity with the collectionist's overall strategic direction. Integration, roadmap, and milestones. Creating a detailed roadmap with clear milestones and timelines for integrating the acquisition into the collectionist's operations. This plan ensures that all aspects of the integration are systematically addressed. Execution monitoring, overseeing the integration process by closely monitoring the activities to ensure adherence to budget, milestones, and synergy activation plans. This involves regular progress reviews and adjustments as needed. Integration activities, support, facilitating smooth transitions by providing support for integration activities such as staff training, system updates, and process alignment. This support is crucial to minimize disruptions and ensure a seamless transition. Progress consolidation, regularly reviewing the integration progress and making necessary adjustments to ensure the acquisition meets strategic objectives and delivers the expected value. This final step ensures that the acquisition is fully integrated and operational. Financing. Research. Continuously exploring financing options such as cash, debt, and fundraising to support the acquisition strategy. Effective financing ensures that acquisitions are sustainable and aligned with the collectionist's financial goals. By following this structured process, the collectionist ensures that every acquisition aligns with their strategic objectives and maximizes value. In conclusion, the collectionist's M&A strategy, as outlined by Max Aniort, provides a robust framework for short-term rental managers aiming to scale their businesses. By understanding the detailed steps and strategic considerations involved, managers can better navigate the complexities of M&A, whether they are looking to expand their portfolios or position their businesses for sale. This comprehensive approach ensures that every acquisition aligns with strategic objectives, maximizes value, and seamlessly integrates into existing operations, setting a benchmark for success in the luxury rental industry. That's it for today's episode of Rental Scale Up. I'm Thibault Masson, and I hope you found this deep dive into Le Collectionist's M&A strategy insightful. Join us next time as we continue to explore the latest trends and updates in the short-term rental industry. Thank you for listening.